These door locks are really great for two things. Number 1, deterring an intruder, and number 2, keeping your kids safe inside the house. If you have little ones, you know exactly what I mean. As careful as parents are, kids can just open the door and walk off if you don't have the proper locks. So with this door reinforcement lock, I just have that extra peace of mind. The locks come in a pair. The seller claims that these locks are designed to withstand 800 pounds of force. It is really easy to install though. With the door closed, I put the lock into place and make one mark on the lock and one mark on the door. Then to install, I open the door and line the marks up, and using the smaller screw, I'll drive it into the middle oval opening. Then double check my marks to make sure it aligns, and then screw in the 3 other screws, and that's about it. It's really simple to install. So there we have it, extra peace of mind. I do like that these locks are really good quality and they're made of metal. And there is a rubber piece here to prevent your door from getting scratched up or scuffed up. So that is a big plus. Overall, I do highly recommend it because for the price, you're getting extra peace of mind and you are also getting an intrusion deterrent.